Did you know you can get salon quality results at home without spending a fortune? Stay with me, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step Brazilian wax routine anyone can master. Welcome to MTH Health. Here, we share practical self-care tutorials you can confidently do yourself. Today, we're walking through a beginner-friendly Brazilian waxing guide that's safe, simple, and effective. Many people feel nervous about trying waxing at home. They imagine it's messy, painful, or something only a professional should handle. But the truth is, with the right tools and preparation, you can achieve clean and smooth results by yourself. It can be safe, affordable, and stress-free. Here's what you'll need: a hard wax kit, waxing sticks and strips, a wax warmer or a microwave-safe container, baby powder or a gentle cleanser, aloe vera gel or soothing lotion for aftercare. Step 1. Clean and dry the area completely. Step 2. Apply a light dusting of baby powder to reduce moisture. Step 3. Warm the wax until it's smooth and spreadable, never too hot. Step 4. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth, leaving a clean edge for easy removal. Now comes the part everyone worries about: removal. Place the strip firmly over the wax. Hold the skin taut. Pull quickly against the direction of growth. Remember, quick pulls hurt less than slow ones. Afterward, apply aloe vera or soothing lotion to calm the skin. And that's it. Prep, apply, remove, and soothe. With a little practice, at-home Brazilian waxing becomes easy, effective, and confidence-boosting. Right finger if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MTH Health, and share it with someone who's interested in self-care at home. Also, drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.